$50,000 in business credit with no personal guarantee. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. On this episode, we're going to talk about how to build business credit and get that Sam's Club MasterCard. First off, before you build any type of business credit, you need to set up your business. You need to register with your Secretary of State. Everything is self-explanatory when you start doing this, so you shouldn't have no problems. But it's going to be a fee. Every state varies with prices. My state is Connecticut. That's about $125. Boom. You want to register with your state. After you do that, you're going to have your articles of incorporation. After you get your articles of incorporation, boom, go on irs.gov, get your EIN number. That's self-explanatory too. You get your EIN number. Now you can get a bank account if you want. I suggest you do, because that's just another leg up. You can open a business bank account with any bank you want that offer that product, but some of the better banks to use for a business is Chase, Capital One, Citi, PNC. The reason being is they also report to SBFE, which is the Small Business Financial Exchange. I'm gonna put some on the screen. They've been around for a while, since 2001. Basically, your activity with the banks will get reported to them. So that's why I said you can have another leg up. And another thing you should do, be consistent, all right? The address that you use should be the same address on your EIN, register with the state, with the bank accounts, use the same address, use the same phone number. Don't change up your information. Make sure your information is the same. And if you want another leg up, you can use a virtual address or a 1-800 number. You can use Grasshopper for the 1-800 number. And when it comes to a virtual address, you can use Alliance. And there's other companies that do the same thing too when it comes to a virtual address. And you can register your business with 411 just so you look really legitimate and good. And you can do another leg up and have a website, because you can just do it as just for business credit, or prepare yourself for a real legitimate business you're going to run to get some more income. So after you set up your business, now you're ready to build business credit. If you got excellent credit, you can kind of skip some steps if you want to, because you're in a better predicament. You could get actually some credit cards, some business credit cards with big banks that report to Equifax Business, Experian Business, and even SBFE. All right, so you could just knock things out of the park off rip. And a couple of the banks that you could use is Citibank, Discover, and Chase. They report. The Sam's Club MasterCard is the only MasterCard that strictly go based on your business credit. That's it. I mean, you could get a Chase and all these other credit cards that go strictly on your business, but you need to have like 3 years of tax return. You need to be making some real money. You just got to be 100% legitimate. 100% your business got to stand on its own 2 feet. Everything like that. So the Sam Club MasterCard, you just got to build some trade lines, and boom, you do the things right and you look good, you can qualify, and boom, you get a Sam Club MasterCard that you could use anywhere. And I got the store card, and I was wondering why I got the store card, because I wasn't truly qualified. You know, this is $8,000 by the way, but this is a store card that I could use at Walmart and I could use at Sam's Club, which is cool. But I want a MasterCard that I can go anywhere with. And I'm going to share with you right now how to qualify. To be qualified for a Sam's Club MasterCard, you need your Experian credit report to look good. Your Experian business credit score to be good. It should be 76 or better, and your financial stability risk should be 1. All right. And one of the ways you can have your stability risk rating 1 is by having a good NASCS code, right? As far as what business you're into. If you're a credit repair company, like your risk going to be higher, so this might be a 3 or 4. But if you like a food company that make food, whatever, then more than likely you're going to be at a 1. So your NAICS code should, reflect that. What kind of company you are, what you sell, what product and services that you offer, right? So 76 and 1 and you will qualify. So to find out your true score, you need to go on Experian Business because that's what Sam's Club use, Experian, to qualify you. So you go on Experian Business, you find out your true score. So if you go in Sam's Club now, when you apply, you will be informed exactly what your score is. So you could be like, okay, I'm not even ready yet. I'm only at 60 or 50. I need to be at 76 and 1. So when you get those two scores, you're going to get the MasterCard. We just talked about the scores you needed to qualify. Now we're going to talk about what you need to do, different trade lines you could use to get qualified that report to Experian Business. All the companies I'm talking about going to be in the description below. All right, so don't worry about it. It's going to be right there. First off, we got NAB Business Boost. They report to Dun Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and Experian Business. Next, we got Summa Office Supplies. Report to Equifax Business and Experian Business. Then we got Uline now. Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business. Next, we got BP, MasterCard. Experian Business, Dun & Bradstreet. Next is Amazon Net 55 account. All right, it report to Experian only. Then we got Shirsty, Experian Business, Equifax Business. Those are 6 different companies you can use. So if you do all of these, you will definitely be qualified for the Sam's Club MasterCard. All right. So it won't take that long. Like I said, 3 to 6 months. Just check on your Experian Business score and you see what happens. And with doing all those steps to build your business credit to get a Sam's Club MasterCard, you also building up your business credit so you can get Home Depot commercial credit card, a Cat commercial card, Floor and Decor business card, Tractor Supply business card, Exxon Mobil gas card business, Staple business, all with no personal guarantee. So the only thing you got to do is do these steps and you can have over 50,000, 60,000, all depends, in 6 months worth of business credit. And you also you could get more than I got. I mean, I kind of stopped at a certain point. So you can keep building up your business credit, keep getting more commercial accounts, and sky's the limit. Like I said, you could get ready. Be ready so you don't have to get ready. So if you're not even making no money in your business, you could build business credit. If you got bad personal credit and you just want another way to purchase things on credit while you're fixing your personal credit, there you go. It don't cost a lot of money, So if you spend, a few $100s so you obtain $50,000, that's a great return on investment. So it's well worth it. That's what I look at as, especially if you get the Sam's Club MasterCard, $8,000. Come on, you spend a few $100s to get an $8,000 card. It's well worth it. So hopefully this helped you out on your business credit journey. And if you like this, give me one of these. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll talk to you on the next one, all right? Level up.